Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's that? That was good? Yes, we are back. Oh, hello again. If you are someone who has a date, video is for my lovely beauties who have dates. We're going on dates, okay? For your very first date, or for your very last date, or for your however many dates it's been. It's going to be a night date. In the night, we are going to start. So always start with your moisturizer, washing your face, and looking cute. So after you do your skinny prep, you're going to put some what? Primer. Yes, it is the E.L.F. Niacinamide Plus Full Primer. I recommend you always dab your primer into your face. As you can see, I have two different eyebrows. Yes, okay, whatever. The next step is obviously brows. Now that our brows are done, our next tip is obviously concealer to clean it up. And the concealer I'm using today is my Hydrating Camo concealer by E.L.F. Yes, it is, and it is in the color Tan Sand. But I usually mix it in with rich chocolate from the 16-hour Camo collection. Now I'm gonna blend that out with a clean blending brush like such. I'm gonna use, hello everyone, welcome, hello. I'm gonna use the excess concealer that I have left over from my eyebrow, and I'm gonna use them on my eyelids. Now I'm just going to blend my eyelids out with my same blending brush. I'm doing a dab motion to blend it out. Okay, so we're gonna be using 3 ColourPop palettes: Blowin Smoke, Wild Child, the Taupe palette. So we're gonna start with the Taupe palette for the light browns. We just want this to look like a natural, but not so natural, smoky eye kind of look. Pebble Beach is the first color that we're going to be using from this palette. I've been blending the excess eyeshadow up towards my eyebrow. Next, from this palette, we're going to be using Python. Now we're going to use this gray shade here. Don't look at my nose. This shade here. We're going to use that in the crease of the eye. I want to have a more precise application, so I'm going to use a more tapered brush to apply this color, and then I'm going to blend it out with the same brush that I was using earlier. Now I'm going to add some more of that gray shade, but with the brush I was using before, and I'm going to apply it in that same area. Now I'm going to use a clean brush, and I'm just going to blend that in. Now we're going to apply some of the Wild Child palette. We're going to apply that in the same spots that we just applied that gray color. Now I'm going to take a clean brush, and I'm going to blend those colors together, girl. Make sure that you keep blending until you see that they've basically dissolved into each other. You want them to just completely melt into each other, blend perfectly seamlessly together. It doesn't matter how your eyeshadow came out. if you just keep blending, you're gonna be like, oh shoot, this is looking good, hold on. And then you're gonna start adding other colors. If you are about to take off your makeup at the end of the night, I would say that's the perfect time to practice new eyeshadow looks. Then you won't be messing up your makeup and you'll know what the eyeshadow look looks like with the full face. Next, we're gonna use our Blowin Smoke palette, and I'm gonna use Slated gray, dark gray color here. I'm gonna use that in the same spots that I just applied those last two color shades, or whatever you want to call it. Same brush that I used as before, and I'm gonna blend that out, and I'm probably gonna apply a little bit too. Now we're gonna add some Spotted. We're gonna add a little more of the grasslands in the creases of my eyes. To fix some of the eyeshadow, I like to just go over with the same colors. We like to save the sparkly bits to the end, so we're going to use our sparkly eyeshadows at the end when we're done with our face makeup. The foundation I'm using today is the Fenty Beauty Soft Lit Luminous. I think it's the Luminous foundation. Soft Lit Luminous foundation in the shade 350. Wow. So our next step is going to be concealer. The E.L.F. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade, you guessed it, Tan Sam. We're going to use our blending brush to blend out the harsh lines. I'm also going to put some concealer on my forehead because I forgot to do that somehow. Now we're going to add some blush, the E.L.F. Camo Liquid Blush in the shade Cheeky Lychee. We're gonna set the face with the One Size Ultimate Blurring Powder. So I'm really making sure to set the smile lines area of my face because you're gonna be smiling a lot on this date, hopefully, right? So you want to really make sure that this part right here is super set.
What the dog doing?
Now we're just gonna brush that excess off. Next step is bronzer. The bronzer palette that we're using is going to be the Black Radiance palette. Boom! In the shade medium to dark. Ooh, nice. Cute. Fancy. So I'm going to be using the bronzing shade in the middle here, and then I use the contour shade over here on my nose. But this is the shade that we use to bronze our face. I'm going to use this clean brush to blend the nose out. Now we're going to apply some blush, some more blush I guess. And the blush that I'm using is this Juvia's Place Volume 4 Blushed Duo palette. And it's in the shade Rouge. I think that's this palette's called Rouge. And we've got a darker pink and a lighter pink. I'm going to apply the lighter pink first, and then the darker pink on top of the lighter pink. As per usual, I am going to blend that all out with a clean brush. Next, we're going back to the eyes, and we're going to apply some sparkly, some liner, and then some liquid liner, and it's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be great. First, we're gonna use the shade Constrictor from the Taupe palette by ColourPop. We're gonna use the shade Fierce from the Wild Child palette by ColourPop. Okay, so next step is going to be pencil eyeliner. To do my eyeliner in just the corners of the eye, just here in the waterline, because I feel like it just really pronounces my eye shape. I don't really know, but I really like the way my eye shape looks when I just put it in the corners and not the entire eye. It just feels like it adds a little bit of... Next step is liquid liner. And the liquid liner that I'm using is by Essence. It's the super precise liquid eyeliner. Now it's time to put our little beauty marks. Now we're gonna apply some highlight to the nose. Next, we're just gonna add some lipstick and some mascara, and then we're done. The lip liner that I used is NYX Professional, and it's in the color Brown. I'm gonna be mixing two lip glosses, the NYX Butter Gloss in the colors, please hold, Bit of Honey. Wait, these are both Bit of Honey. Okay, I'm gonna be using a Bit of Honey. I also added the Strawberry Cheesecake. Now we're gonna set our face with the Power Grip Rose Setting Spray, Refreshingly Fine Spritz by E.L.F. Okay everyone, so this is the finished look. So that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a quick one. It was a very quick one because you're trying to go on a date. Hurry up, go. I hope that you enjoyed this video so much, and I hope your makeup came out as good as my makeup came out. I don't know how good it looks on camera, but in person it is very good, and that is the end goal. I said that's the end goal in case you don't speak French. And don't forget to like and subscribe.